Come.
We're here. It's our new house. So this is the front door. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So it is Saturday and it's second day not having Tita with us. And yeah, still moving on guys. But we're all ready. It's currently 9:30 in the morning. And we are going to Mount Waverly, Mount Glen, yeah? We're going to Glen Waverly to see the real estate agent, guys. We're gonna go get the keys for our new house. It's very exciting. And yeah, maybe later on, it's not maybe because I think Daddy really wants to go. Once we get the key, we're gonna go to the new house, guys, and I'm gonna take you with me. So I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of our new place. And yeah, it's gonna be really hot today. Nak say, Nak, Tita is watching. Nak, wanna say hi? Hi? Maldita nga bata. So I've got this in the plastic bag, guys. I'm gonna go to the post office before we go to see the real estate agent, guys, because yesterday I wasn't able to go to the post office. If you've seen my video yesterday.
Mommy!
Yes. But yeah, I'm gonna show you Paris's outfit of the day. Can I show you your dress now? Wow, that is so cute. Have a look. See the heart? So can we say hi? Hi, heart. And that's Daddy's outfit for the day. Outfit day.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oh, boo. Come on, let's go.
Mommy!
And there's one bata that wants Didi, guys. Okay. Well, I'll see you soon, guys. See you. Bye. Bye. So Daddy's there now, guys. He's just picking up the keys. We didn't go out because it will be really hard to put Paris back in her car seat. So Dada went out. There's a baby who doesn't want to get into the pram and trying to be sweet to Daddy. Nak, we know your tactics, Nak.
Oh.
Are you tired?
I'm gonna film you in about 20 minutes. And let's see if you're the same.
No, mommy, push.
Let's see if
Push?
let's see if you're still
Mama,
about
push.
that life. Let's see.
Do you want to see?
No.
Why not?
Let's see if you're about that life in about 20 minutes.
It's cake. Let's go. So hi again, guys, just an update. It's currently 11:30 in the morning and we are at the Glen Shopping Center. We're at the food court, guys. Paris having food. Paris is having some milk and then Dada went to grab something to eat. We will take turns, guys, because Mimi is not here now, Tita is not here, so no one's gonna, you know, keep an eye on Paris when we go get our food. So we have to take turns and I'm just waiting for Daddy to come back and he'll hold Paris and then I'll go get something for myself. I think she's sleepy. Is she sleepy? So guys, Dada came back. He's got his food already. He went to Nene Chicken, guys. That's Mimi's favorite fried chicken in Australia. But Dada saw me, you know, holding Paris, feeding Paris while Paris is sleeping. So Dada just went to take, you know, get me something. And he said he saw something like the fish head laksa, which is my favorite. So he said he's gonna get that for me, guys. I'm gonna show you later when he comes back. Yeah. What's going on?
They can't do fish head laksa, they got fish head soup.
What's that? Well, bad news. Apparently, they don't have the laksa. They can have like they can do the fish head, but like in a broth. So I don't know what's gonna come out.
Fried fish head.
Huh?
Fried fish head.
Fried?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we'll have that one. Thank you, Daddy. Sleeping now, guys. Yum.
Lunch is here.
That looks so good. Thanks, Daddy. I've got go to Paris for sleeping. I'm gonna put Paris down. Oh, it smells so good as well.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to put it down.
Daddy's ordering hot chocolate.
Spain's Taidre.
Looks like we're on holiday.
Huh?
Looks like we're on holiday.
These pickle burgers. I heard that's really nice. Pop said.
We're still at the shopping center, guys, and I'm going to show you my OOTD. Guys, I'm going to show you their toilet. It is incredible. It's better than our house. Wow. Buying a cover for Paris's iPad, guys. So Paris's iPad is only a week old, not even a week, I think. And then now she just dropped it, and the corner, the left corner, guys, it's broken. So that's why I said, like, yeah, we should have, you know, put cover first before giving it to her. But yeah, our bad. It happened already, guys. So now that's why Daddy just went to get a cover, guys, so it is safe, because we can't afford to, you know, for it to get broken and then we need to get it fixed or buy another one. It's expensive, guys. So yeah. Honey. Beep beep na. Her daddy's with her, guys, because she wants Daddy to sit with her.
Yes? Huh? Sit? Okay. You drive the bus. You drive the bus.
Alright, Miss Driver.
Oh. You drive the bus. Jesus Christ.
Stop!
You're gonna crash.
Stop! 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 I don't know. We're here. It's our new house.
Show mommy the keys.
Show Mama. It's raining. Ooh. So Daddy opened the door already for us, guys. Ooh, all right. Here it is. So it's our first time here. You know, without everything inside. So this is the front door. Last time we were here, guys, was inspection and they still got their stuff. Oh, okay. So that's the big double door to the lunchroom. Oh, the light, Daddy. So it's where the dining table is gonna be. So this is through the kitchen. So that's the laundry area. The fridge gonna fit, yeah? Huh? Did we even consider that?
I think it'll fit which ones.
Yeah, I think it's going to fit. That's the kitchen, guys, with all the cupboard. Where's the light here? I'm gonna show you the backyard since we're here now. We'll see what's... How do you open this, Daddy? So this is the backyard.
Ah. Look at that.
So, I'm wondering what this is. Okay, so it's just storage. And Daddy, where are you? Oh, is this to the kitchen? I was wondering what this is. That's to the kitchen. Huh? Yeah, I did. So it's good to actually give you a good idea, guys, you know, before we bring everything in here tomorrow. So there's another storage here. And this is the first bedroom.
That's good.
Turn the light on. Oh, that's why. That's good. Oh, they have this.
I'm sure this is our room.
Yeah. Can you please open that, Daddy? Ah, that's just the wardrobe. And they have more here. More there. We actually haven't decided yet which one we're gonna use as these. It's the main room. Our master's bedroom. So we gotta go to, that's just the toilet, guys. And that's the bathroom there.
There's also storage, like multiple doors.
Yeah. So this is the other room. So maybe we'll use that one as our main bedroom, because that one is bigger.
Yeah, I think that one's good at my room.
Oh, but the air conditioner is here though.
Yeah, that one's got the fan.
Yeah.
I can just sleep with the ceiling fan, it's fine.
Yeah. So this is the second room. So I think we're gonna use that, the other one as our, how do you call it? Our master's bedroom, and this one we're gonna put all Paris' stuff and Mama's stuff. Yeah, I think this is what I'm going to use as my room, my beauty room and Paris' toys room. I can already see what I want to do in this room actually. Oh, okay, so that's just a window through the back. Yeah. We got fresh air.
And our trees.
Oh, they've got, what's that, Daddy? Plum? Nectarine.
Mommy.
Yes, my love. Up?
Up.
Oh, do you want to see as well? Okay. So yeah, guys, this is our new home. Hello.
See that, mommy?
Yes, that's right, honey.
Daddy? Look, see that car?
Yeah. So I really like this double door, guys, because it just gives the illusion of like having a really wide space. I'm not too sure how I'm going to put all the furniture here, guys, but we're moving here tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. Ooh, where's Paris? Boo!
So the thing is, Bob, even if we can't put both,
Let's have a look, guys. We just opened the windows, all the blinds. It looks so cute. And that's the kitchen. So I like the lights in the kitchen, guys, because it's white, but this one here is yellow and the other one is not working, so probably change that. Fingers crossed we know how to. Hi, sweetie. Is that your window? Wow. And the opening too, guys. I really like this hallway. I think it's so cute. We're gonna put something there like a hallway table. Oh, Bob, do you think the hallway table will fit here? The one at home?
yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
That's all.
And I love that it's got, you know, the screen door. So guys, I'll show you outside. So that's our neighbor. It's raining, guys, so I can't show you outside, but it looks very similar to that. Very similar. Because there's 3 units here. This, ours, and that, and this in front of us. So it looks like outside. Oh, honey, go back. Come on, let's go, because it's raining. Woo! Are you eating your apple?
Have a look at that in our bedroom now. It looks so much nicer.
Hi guys, it's an update. Currently 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am in. I live. Because we went to the new house, guys, and their lights are actually yellow, and I really don't like that look, guys. I want it like bright white light, so it's really bright inside. So this is the yellow. It says warm white, so I'm gonna change it with the cool white, you know, the really bright one. So I probably need 6 or 7 of them, but I need someone to help me because I've got no idea what I'm looking for. Guys, I've got 9 of them because they were on sale as well for $6, so it's not too bad. Hi guys, we are now home. It's 6:30 at night and the car is still on because Paris is sleeping. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. Tomorrow is going to be a really big day because that's the day we're moving everything out of this house to the new house. So yeah, it's going to be very exciting, and yeah, it's just gonna be a really big day tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be filming tomorrow, so you'll see how we do everything, the moving out and moving in. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. As always, I appreciate your time, and please like this video if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, guys. I've got more videos coming for you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't guys, I was looking for Tita, guys, because normally Tita says be careful, but yeah, she's not here. I still can't move on. Mura kong nagkuhan, guys. Mura kong going through breakup. Anyways, I miss you, Tita. I will see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.